I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now nigga can't answer calls cause I'm hauling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas.
Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Wilson Baby, aka the Makeup Plug, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm here to show you guys how I got this bomb perm rod set. Do y'all see all these luscious, bouncy curls? Okay, and this is day one hair. If you would like to see how I did this beautiful perm rod set, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, so this is what we'll need for our tutorial today. We need some Lotta Body foam mousse. You can use any mousse. I just used this one. This is my first time using it. I use this wax instead of gel because preferably I really did like it and my hair wasn't crunchy. And it said extreme hold, but this didn't even hold my edges, honestly. And we need some perm rods, of course, and some alligator clips or gator clips, whatever it is, wide tooth clips, whatever you call it.
So Miss Wilson Baby, aka the Makeup Plug, and today I'm going to do a perm rod set on dried, stretched out hair. I did straighten my hair and I sweated it out so I can do this protector style. So yes, stay tuned. So I already started my perm rod set because I didn't want this video to be too long, but I already put a little bit of Lotta Body on my hair and I already smoothed it out. So next thing I'm doing is grabbing my Murray's wax, and I'm actually going to start by putting this on the ends and working my way upwards. And I really do prefer this wax over gel because it didn't make my hair crunchy and it left my hair with beautiful bouncy curls. They weren't heavy and it didn't leave residue at all. And as you see, I'm just massaging that into my hair. I'm just making sure everything lays flat and it's smooth. Hey guys, so I'm taking the white perm rod and I always start by tucking the ends of my hair first to make sure it has a good curl towards the end, and then I'll start rolling the hair towards the top of my head, and then you'll start to see me twist under and not over.
took it out just to make sure that they were dry. And baby, look at the definition of these. This is on dried stretch. This is on a dried stretch here. Wow. Let's take these out, and I'm gonna fast forward this part, okay? This is what it looks like after I take out all the perm rods. I feel like Rick James or something. But yes, I have to fluff this up really quick, so just watch out. Let me start in the front. So to fluff it out, always take one, unravel it. Pull, curl, curl. And the same thing. I don't try to separate it too much because it still is stretched there. And when I did it yesterday, it was frizzy. Especially towards the roots. Make sure it's that. So I'm gonna unravel it. Everything. Make sure. Ooh, yes. Perfect. Perfect. One more time. Girl, yes. Honey. Loving my hair. It's juicy, it is healthy, and it is bouncy, and it's not crunchy at all. There's no residue, and this is on stretched out hair, and it looks wonderful. That was my first time ever using a lot of body hair wrap mousse, and it was I just want y'all to see something real quick. So this is where it's at right now. I'm not done fluffing, but this is my real hair. Okay. Let me know down below in the comment section if you want to see more hair videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.